Hi, I'm Dr. Ron Spiaggia, Medical Director of Performance Rehabilitation in Watchung, New Jersey. I invite you to learn more about our practice. Performance rehabilitation has been a vision of mine for 8 years. It is a multidisciplinary center consisting of medical doctors, chiropractors, and physical therapists, as well as spinal decompression therapy. We use the best of all disciplines to create a conservative, effective environment for the treatment of musculoskeletal injuries.
First time I met Dr. Spiaggia when I literally couldn't stand up straight and was in excruciating pain. I had 2 separate sessions on the DRX 9000, each lasting a couple of weeks. The second one was a flare-up, and it was rather remarkable. After a period of about 3 or 4 of those treatments, I felt well enough to get back on the tennis court.
Spinal decompression therapy is an FDA-cleared technology that has been proven to reduce the pressure inside the discs. That's important because if we could reduce disc pressure, we could cause water, other nutrients, as well as herniated materials to be vacuumed back into the disc. It has been proven to show very good results in the short term and the long term.
My first visit with Dr. Spiaggia was great. He just made me feel so comfortable, and he gave me hope that I was going to get better. So he explained to me this machine that I would go on, the DRX 9000, and how it would stretch my neck and make the disc fall back in place. Before, I couldn't even move my right side, and after my second time on the DRX 9000, I was able to move more than what I was. About the 5th or 6th time, I had like 60% flexibility to move to my right side. Dr. Spiaggia, I call him the miracle doctor, because every time he adjusts me, every time he touches me, I just feel way better. And secretaries and everything, they're just so lovely. When you come in here, you're in pain and everything, they're just so bright, and they just make you feel so good even before you go to treatment.
I have plenty of patients that end up in our doors as a last resort rather than a first resort. And those are the cases, that people that come here desperate and have nowhere to turn, that we help out and we give them hope, we give them their life back.
And in April of last year, I was involved in a pretty severe automobile accident. The pain was very severe. It was in my lower left and radiating down my leg. So not only was sitting difficult, but also when I walked for an extended period of time, I used to get terrible shooting pains down my left leg. So we started off with just some very soft manipulation, soft tissue work, had me working with Andy, the physical therapist. Eventually got me to the point where he put me on the DRX, the spinal decompression machine. I started feeling relief almost immediately once he put me on the DRX machine. We did about 20 visits on that thing, and it's been miraculous.
If you're in chronic pain, please give us a call. If you're dealing with lifetimes of medications or possible surgery or multiple injections which haven't helped you out, please consider spinal decompression therapy. Please feel free to give us a call and come into the office. I'll have a consultation with you personally. If I think I could help you, I will tell you. If I think I can help you, I will tell you that too.
I suggest that if you're in pain, that you come and see Dr. Spiaggia's team at Performance Rehab in Watchung. They are miracle workers. You will feel 100% better.
We have special appointments for people to come in for consultations. If you're in pain, you will be seen today.